What you got going on right there, man? What you got going on?
Some ramen, nigga.
Some ghetto ramen?
Chill. Microwave, nigga. I'm broke.
You already know we in the fucking dungeon with it, nigga.
The dungeon, nigga.
Dungeon niggas. You feel me? Look at this shit. It's a dungeon door. You don't want to go beyond this shit. Some crazy shit beyond here, you feel me? But yeah, otherwise than that, let's go do the oil change on my car, you feel me?
And I'm gonna wash that nigga's car.
Y'all niggas a SI bitch. You feel me? See the SI right here too. Faded as a mug. But yeah, we can't forget the lewd with some duct tape on the side of this. Today what we're gonna be doing, an oil change on the whip, you feel me? And you know, it's not no Haggard garage shit, this is ghetto garage shit. Look, you see?
We at a school with it, bro.
On the street, on some bum shit. We about to jack the car up, get it ready. And my bitch dirty as a mug, you feel me? She a dirty slut.
Don't worry, we gonna wash this bitch. But you know, peep my tools, nigga.
Inside, it's a little dirty. I just got this car like 3 days ago.
Ugly ass.
Got it 3 days ago, bro. It needs some work.
Fucking look at that shit. Shit backwards like a motherfucker.
It's backwards like your head, bitch.
It's backwards like you, nigga.
Backwards like you, nigga. You gay.
Yeah. And you're bi.
Nah, I ain't bi.
Yeah,
you just I buy.
You just
car parts.
Retro gay. Some other shit you can find this shit better.
So it turns out this kid had this thing the whole time, bro. We've been doing this sidewalk shit. And now he wants to bust this out?
That had to be for a video, bro. It had to be for a purpose. I wasn't just gonna bust this shit out just to bust it out. Like, it had to be for a purpose.
I let that motherfucker down. Yo, I feel like someone in the comment gonna be like, yo, these niggas mad ghetto.
Fuck.
They mad ghetto, what the fuck? That shit good, bro? Yo, bro, we just, look, we two young niggas just doing shit, bro. So, if y'all ever want to criticize and help us out, bro, you know what I'm saying? Always comment. Help some young bloods out.
Yo, that nigga's...
Shit sounds disgusting.
That nigga's ultimate. What the fuck? That nigga's busting. He like this.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No. Look at the top of his head.
Back here? No, that's not back there. That's dumb as shit.
You don't see it either?
No, bro, I don't see that shit.
When you're doing an oil change on a Civic Si 8 Gen, you gotta take the wheel off. I don't know if there's a way to do it without taking the wheel off, but you first gotta take the wheel off. Damn!
Shit.
Yeah, no problem. Yo, you got oil all over yourself.
Nigga, that's what part of being a grease monkey is, nigga.
Damn, bro, my car nutted on you, boy. My car's made you its bitch.
Yeah, but I'm gonna be driving the fuck out this bitch.
Alright, so here comes the hard part. The oil filter shit, man.
Oil filter shit. Yeah, that shit's mad weird, bro.
You got mad black shit on your shirt.
Oh, fuck.
So sadly, we gotta take the whole wheel off just in order to get on this bitch. She's a runner, she's a track star.
Nigga, get put the oil, dumbass. I'm trying to sing and shit. Pour that shit, boy. Pour it, nigga.
Shit, golden. I can't because it will overflow quick.
No, it won't.
See, look, alright. You see that?
No.
Alright then, nigga. Slap me.
Shit, you stupid nigga.
Slap me.
You could get it to a good amount, nigga.
Alright.
So you see it
happy?
like, yeah, like that. So it pours faster. Yo, why she pushing her dumbass car
Camry,
like that,
bro?
That's like, that shit not even going nowhere.
I like that. It's just like electrical as in like toy cars or shit. That's some Camry drivers, bro. Copyright.
Facts, nigga.
After you throw your oil in, you want to let the car, start the car for like a good 30 seconds, let it run, and then turn it off. You feel me? Ain't nothing crazy. So the first official thing I'm doing to the car is this. Getting a shift knob, because the nigga gave me the damn car without a shift knob. He was looking for it, he couldn't find it, you feel me? So thankfully, my sweet dear old sister got me a shift knob. And my hands are ashy as hell. I'm coming from work. All right, so you see when it's like that, right? What you want to do, there's a nut on the bottom. You want to get. Make sure you place it properly. You start tightening that bolt the other way, actually. Hold on. Make sure that's just like that. I want to tighten that motherfucker. Hold on. Boom. A little tiny install. I need to get a new shifting boot because this one's getting ripped. It's old, but yeah, boom. And it's nice accents, you know. SI. Yeah, eating the Raper van.
I'm broke.
Close out the video, you ugly bitch. Close out the video, nigga.
Could do better, bitch.
Nigga, close out the video, bitch.
Alright, nigga. It's been another psych, nigga. It's been our first video. You know what I'm saying? Shit clean. About to beat this nigga on. You know the fucking vibe.
Ain't being nobody.
In your car, nigga.
Yeah, so first video, wash the cars, change the oil. I ain't gonna cap. Oil change was a pain in the ass, bro. Oil change was a pain. Nigga, I'm right here, nigga. I'm not over there. Right here.
Shut up, bitch. I'm looking at the car. Nobody wanna see your ugly ass face.
What's up, being ass?
Damn.
Yeah. Good beat? Alright.
Damn.
Damn, our shorty's wet as hell.
Batik boy. Pour the oil, boy. Nigga about to pour that oil in that shit. That dirty ass funnel. This nigga got an intake. See that shit?
Yeah. Make sure you put that shit vertical.
I am, nigga.
I mean horizontal. Cause I'm lazy.
So weird. Come on, cuz. We gotta have to edit all that shit out.
I will.